published 133 articles in national as well as international journals and books on the subject of integrated education, community-based rehabilitations, and handbook on visual impairment. Mrs. Nandini Rawal has co-authored 6 publications. So ladies and gentlemen, अब वो घड़ी आ गई है जहाँ पर इतने दिनों की मेहनत रंग लाने वाली है. हमने कुछ कॉन्टेस्ट इसके अलावा भी जो टॉप 3 अवार्ड वहाँ पे फॉर द मिस ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल गोज टू पायल भट्टर. So that's Payal. Let's hear it for her. Request Sanjay sir to do the honors for the next award. All 3 winners with blessed qualities. है क्या आपने कभी भी अपनी जिंदगी में एक स्टेज को इतना खूबसूरत देखा है? Let's have a loud round of applause for her, Inderpreet Kaur. Is escorting her to the ramp. The winner of Princess India 2016-17 along with John Abraham. John, I would request all the judges to be Come here, Luthman and Luftan. Come, आगे आइए. Sir.
साल में कम से कम 200 बार 300 बार इवेंट देखते हैं. टेलीविज़न पे लाइव में कभी जाते हैं और इवेंट पे इवेंट देखते हैं. ग्लैमरस इवेंट देखते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल देखते हैं. लेकिन जो आज का क्षण है, आज का जो इवेंट है, ये एक बहुत ही इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल इंस्पायरिंग और एक अलग किस्म का इवेंट है जिसमें कि जीवन की प्रेरणा के बारे में कहा जाता है, आंतरिक शक्ति के बारे में कहा जाता है। मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं सबसे पहले डॉक्टर समीर को, जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया और सबको इनकरेज किया कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं।
First of all, congratulations to Dr. Sameer for having such a fantastic show. The judges were absolutely fantastic. Everyone, and people I've really admired were out here. Thank you to the audience for actually, being here and being patient and watching this beautiful show. And to everyone who accompanied every pageant person out here, congratulations to each one of you. You're all our achievers. Very important. Thank you so much to the media for supporting this event. ये बहुत ज़रूरी था, and you'll have done a fantastic job by just being here.
Thank you to all of you for encouraging all these lovely girls over here. And I think what's most important is they showed us when disability can be made into an ability. And they have progressed far from where we normal people could have. We keep on complaining about things in our lives that go wrong. And these girls have taken that step forward to leave behind what is wrong to make things right for them. I think a big, big round of applause for them.
I think it's a fantastic function. Dr. Sameer ने बहुत ही अच्छा organize किया, and I congratulate सारे हमारे winners, सुरभि, सिमरन, इंद्रप्रीत को मैं congratulate करना चाहता हूँ. ये बहुत ही unique function था, और हमारे जो contestants थे, they were not only beautiful from inside but beautiful from outside, और बहुत ही smart थे. और आज मुझे और काफ़ी हमारे जो spectators हैं उनको काफ़ी सीखने को मिला आज, because I think these people are absolutely fantastic और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think it's a very special occasion, और ये definitely हर साल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से, जिस enthusiasm के साथ इन्होंने participate किया, I think that was fantastic.
ये भाई फोटो चलो